Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the August Alley 3-pack 7-inch men's sweat shorts. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get the box open, find 3 different colors in this one. As you can see, the design, standard drawstring, nothing special here. Front pockets seem decent. Size is large. I'm a 33 waist. I'm 6'1", 165 pounds. To give you an idea on size once we show you trying this on. Does come with a little back pocket on the right side, and again standardized front pockets. 3 different colors. I'm gonna cut the tags out, obviously get this washed up. Show you the fabric up close in a second here. I'm just showing you the 3rd color. I got black, navy, and gray, and as you can see, kind of that waffle pattern. It's good looking. Little bit of, not really much stretch. So we'll get them all washed up, try them on, and take it from there. All right, so I'm going to show you all 3 of these, but I just wanted to start with these here. As you can see, the drawstrings, decent length, very long actually. Length is good. My belly button's here, waist is here, just so you have an idea. And a decent length. I'm 6'1", as mentioned, and they feel comfortable. They're plenty stretchy. Pockets are deep, which is really nice. Good back pocket. Let me show you the other 2 colors. And this is the navy look, so you can get a feel for that. And finally, you'll have the gray. So to me, they're great looking, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.